What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a Ruckus video. If the camera looks different, I heightened the saturation on it, but I think I did it too much because now I don't look light skinned. I look like a I think the Jack from Apple Jack's commercial. But today's a Ruckus video. Today is episode 13 of the Ruckus build. If you're new to the channel, you're just not tuning in, I have a whole playlist if you want to go back to the episode 1 when I first picked it up and see how I got it to where it's at now. This episode, we're going to be putting on the rear wheel, maybe the gas tank and stuff like that. Just trying to get the back end completely ready. And I also got a package from my guy Felix over at the Ruck Shop. We're going to open this up and see what it is. But hopefully that box is something that I need to keep this build going. But let me adjust the saturation and resume services. Alright, so no more saturation. So the saturation is back to being 0. We good now? Are we good? Am I good? Am I good? Am I good? So I apologize for the horrible lighting that's about to happen, like right now. And when y'all see the ice blinds you. You see the ice? Yeah. Ice, yeah. But what I'm gonna do right now is remove this 22mm nut. Put the hub on and then wheel on, but the lighting is so terrible because the ice blinds you, bro. Ice, yeah. The ice is blinding, son. It's blinding. Ice. I got the hub on. My mom gonna help me.
Put me on camera looking like this.
2 chain. All right. Basically, you want to put the wheel on. You want to do this. You want to put the wheel on while I hold it. I
hold it. You just put the thing on. Oh hell no.
You say you want to put the wheel on?
Yeah, I guess so, cause I ain't lifting that thing. Wait, the thing. Wait. Okay. Wait. You told me lifting. You tripping?
I keep doing it. Oh, hold on. Let me go.
Turn
down.
it to the side.
Let me go down.
You had to do it. Turn it to the side. How much this ain't?
Y'all so funny.
There you go, and just slide it over.
Oh, that makes sense.
Oh my God, boy.
You smart. You very smart.
So I finally got the wheel on, but come to my surprise, I think I did something wrong because my dipstick tube or whatever is it's like really hitting the wheel pretty bad. I wonder if I have to stretch it more. I don't know. I'm gonna hit up Ryan and see what to do from here. But yo, it's starting to look like a ruckus dog. It's starting to look like a ruckus dog. So I just finished speaking with Ryan, and what I have to do is just grind it down. But knowing me, I might end up grinding the whole damn thread on the inside down, and I will be screwed. But I could handle myself. Alright, with enough grinding, I cleared it. If you guys can see. Hold on, get that focus action going on. Hold on. There, yeah. Look at that, boy. Don't hit nothing. I'm kind of scared. Oh, there goes my bike. Well, I ran into another problem. The dipstick won't tighten down in there. But, talking to Ryan and showing him my stuff, he is like, I will send you a different one. So, we are good to go, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm really debating on if I should get these wheels dipped black, bro. I'm really debating on it. The wheels on my Integra are black, and I really want these to be black as well. I think black with some yellow tire letters would look so sick, but the front wheel can't get tire letters because look how small the wall is, so that sucks. The thing we're gonna be installing on the Ruckus is the kickstand because, well, I can't keep the bike up right now because, well, it has no front end, and most importantly, I don't have those blocks used to where like people can work on their bikes while like it stands perfectly straight up without using their kickstand. So I'm just gonna install the kickstand in hopes that, well, the bike at least stays somewhat straight up while I can work on it. I'm gonna try to film it if I can because I gotta hold the bike up while install it. So if I can't, then next clip the kickstand to be started, but I honestly think the kickstand is just going to be started. What? Oh, and by the way, this kickstand is from the Ruck Shop. I will leave a link down below to every part I installed on today's episode. But thank you to the Ruck Shop for sending out this beautiful kickstand. Can't wait to finally get it installed. And if you're an OG to the Ruckus build and you understand that I've been using jack stands as a kickstand for the longest time, or just leaning the bike on its peg, the one peg I had on it, so This is a pretty big deal for me. So upon installing the kickstand, I had to lean the bike completely over, and I forgot about the dipstick, and well, it was more oil than that. I just cleaned it up beforehand. But bro, I have no more oil in the Ruckus, so well, I did my own oil change. I just gotta put oil in it now. And I also installed this incorrectly as well. Well, I mean it's correct, but since I'm running pegs or whatever, the spacer isn't needed, so yeah. So now I'm gonna take that back out, and well, I won't be able to continue the video for today, which is Sunday, because I need a longer bolt to attach the steering wheel. The kickstand and the peg itself, the bolt that comes with both of them, are both too short. So I talked to Ryan. He said I need an M10 by 1.5 40 millimeter, and Lowe's and Home Depot are closed right now because it's like 8:30 and they close at 8. So I'll continue this video tomorrow when I have the stuff I need and more oil spilled, since the bike is laid over, and I'm pretty sure I don't know. So I'll see you guys, well, now. What's up, y'all? It's the next day, and I got my new bolt so I can attach my kickstand and peg with on the same bolt, because the bolt that you receive from the kickstand / peg, they're both too short. So if you ever run into this problem, it's an M10 by 1.5 by 40. But before we can install this and get the whole Ruckus build going for the rest of this video, Randy wants to go check out the RSX, and I haven't updated you guys on RSX in like 2 months because that's how long it's been at the paint shop. So we're gonna go check it out and see what's up with it. Made it to the paint place. We rolled in and we seen Randy's car primered up. But the owner's kid, the guy that always helps us out, have the wheels getting right in for paint. Wow, Randy, it's paint time, dog. Front end is welded on. Oh, she ready, playboy.
I'm gonna put red, even if there shouldn't be red there, there's gonna be a little bit extra red, you know? Come on, look.
Bro, one day when I get my first fat ass YouTube check, son, I'm getting me a donk. I need like a 40 grand check from YouTube. I'm getting a donk. Too clean, bro. I'd be the only YouTuber with a donk, son. Going back to my roots. It is nice. Peace out, RS6. Yep. Well, you probably come back when it's already painted. Like, yeah.
Man, that's when I'm gonna get it back.
3 weeks. So it'll be 3 months in total. Back to the Ruckus build, bro. Ready to work on your first bike, bro?
This shit.
That works. Got the pegs on with the help of Randy, man, because he's a handyman. He's about to start a YouTube channel soon, so if you guys want to follow him on YouTube, his link is down in the description. Right?
Yeah, bro.
Wow, he's finna quit his job and become a full-time YouTuber and make $3 a week. Turns out to be $12 a month, bro. Boy, rich. I got the new thing that I got from the Ruck Shop, because mine was like beat up and I gotta put clamps on it, so I gotta take that back off. But other than that, oh! Package from the Ruck Shop from Felix himself. He has a Type R, it looks like Kev's Integra, but it's a Ruckus that looks just like Kev's Integra. Got the blue wheels, Type R paint. Oh, let's see what we got. Bubblegum, bro. You want some bubblegum? Take it, bro. Alright, my man said trying to help a brother out, all I ask in return is a time and place to take a picture of right hand drive Kev. I got you, dog. Kev, bro. Let's do this. What we got right here. Oh! I threw this out like a dumbass. Huge thank you to my man Felix. Thank you, bro. Came through with the triple tree, dog. I don't know why I threw this out, bro. I really didn't think I needed it. Yeah, so now I know. If you're ever doing a Ruckus build, don't throw away this at all, okay? Keep this. Because there's not too many good people in the world like Ryan and Kevin and Felix from the Ruck Shop that come through for your boy when he needs it the most. Well, I forgot about the CVT covers, so what I'm going to do is remove these 8mm bolts and then take off this big old casing and then run my new painted one, son. So it's the next day again. Last night I finished up piecing together the back half of the bike and decided to wheelbarrow it outside to show you guys it, and it's almost completion for the rear. Check your boy out. Check your boy out, son. Oh my God. It looks like a Ruckus. Oh, it looks like a Ruckus. I got the exhaust on, I got the carb on with the intake. What else? I think that's pretty much it. I have a couple more things to do to really complete the rear end of the bike, but as of right now, it looks somewhat decent. I ordered some stuff from the Ruck Shop, so once I come in, I can start the front, doing the front wheel and all the other stuff, so it can actually be a bike that can roll. But that's it, dog. It's it. Okay, so it's the next day. Actually, I'm lying. It's like 4 days later. I'm here to close out the video so I can start the next Ruckus video. But before I close out this video, just know that your boy finally got his package from the Ruck Shop. When I took off everything, when I was doing the breakdown of the bike, I lost a lot of stuff. So I had to order a complete kit for the front end for like the bearings. But you'll see in the next Ruckus video, because the next one you should see the front end. Well, not well, the bike should have both wheels on. Okay, that's the goal for the next video, to have both wheels on. And from there, we just attached our harness, and then the battery box cover, and then the fuel thing, everything. So hopefully in the next 3 Ruckus videos, the bike will have its first turn on, and hopefully everything turns on and runs beautiful and stuff like that. But I'm gonna try my best to get like another Gorilla Pod so I can stop vlogging like this and vlog like this, because I know it's kind of, I hate that I gotta vlog this sometimes when I'm like, yo, Zosh, put the camera like this. I'm trying my best to be an actual vlogger again. I'm sorry. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check back in the next couple of days. My homie Brian's coming by tomorrow to help me with the Ruckus, so I'm gonna try to get a daily upload video up for tomorrow. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. If you did, don't drop that like button for you, but that'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Before I forget, huge thank you to the Ruck Shop for supplying everything for this Ruckus build. Everything you've seen in today's episode will all be down in the description box below. And make sure to check them out on their website if you need any parts for your Ruckus or your Grom or your Metro or any Honda Zoomer something. I'm sorry if I'm... But as always, thank you to the Ruck Shop. Peace.